Well, now we got a problem. Oh, the old dumper trucker don't want to get out of here. Sean just spun out going up the hill here, so you could try that. If that don't work, you're gonna have to unchain and move it forward. You ain't got enough weight on your ass end, I think. Oh, boys. She's a greasy one out here. Come on. Man, look at the tracks on the skid loader. Better turn the other way. Yep. You're good. Let off the brake. Let off the brake. Your front wheels are sliding. Turn all the way to the right. Let off the brake. Or don't let off the brake. He's gonna have to fucking give her hee-ho to get out of here. There ain't no way. Ain't no way. She's stuck now. And now turn that way, go back. Alright, so maybe I didn't build this for turning around in. We're gonna have to hold the old 7.3 right to the floor to get her out of here. Or you could just move the skid loader forward, get a little more weight on the ass end, but I'd try it once. Yeah, that's a no-go. Come on. Yeah, we can fix this. I think we just take these chains off and just drive it right ahead, and I think you'll be able to get out. You'll probably have to stay in there. You won't be able to get out. Just drive up, have your bucket up there, and I'll pull it up.